Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore previously saved versions of Elementor page designs. This is incredibly useful when you need to revert changes, recover accidentally deleted content, or simply return to an earlier design that worked better for your site. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools necessary to manage your pages and designs. This is your starting point for any major editing work in WordPress. Next, navigate to Pages in the left sidebar of your dashboard and select All Pages from the drop-down menu. This will display a complete list of all the pages on your website. Scroll down through this list and look for the specific page you want to edit. Once you've located it, click on Edit with Elementor. This action will open the page in Elementor's visual editor, giving you full access to the design and content elements. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, look toward the upper left corner of the Elementor panel. You'll see a clock symbol, which is the history icon. Click on this icon to open up the history panel. This feature is where all your previous edits and versions are stored, making it easy to track changes over time. Once the history panel opens, click on the revisions tab. This tab specifically displays all the saved versions of your page, each tagged with a timestamp so you can identify when changes were made. It's a powerful tool for managing your design workflow and ensuring you never lose important work. Scroll through the list of saved revisions to find the version you want to restore. As you hover over each revision, you'll notice additional options appear. This makes it easy to interact with each saved version without cluttering the interface. When you find a revision you're interested in, click the eye icon next to it. This allows you to preview the revision and see exactly what that version of the page looked like. Take your time here to make sure this is the version you want to bring back. Previewing helps you avoid restoring the wrong design by mistake. Once you're confident you found the right version, click on Restore this revision. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the restoration. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental overwrites. Go ahead and confirm when you're ready. After the revision is restored, you'll need to save your work to make the changes permanent. Click on Publish or Save Draft, which you'll find beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. This finalizes the restoration and ensures your page now displays the version you selected. And there you have it, you've successfully restored a previous version of your Elementor page design, giving you full control over your site's content history. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.